So we're back from Boone and getting the car ready for. We were gonna go to Alta, but it was decided not to. So we're gonna go to Fort Dodge Friday night, Sports Park Raceway. So we got to change gear. Brianna's under there changing the gear right now. She actually volunteered. I don't know what I did to deserve that, but she's under there changing the gear. So got the car washed up already, obviously. Got the body off of it, and I ended up having to change the right side header because in that first accident it got smashed in pretty good. So got the other one on already and changed the oil. I'm in the middle of doing that. Let me get out of the light. There we go. Just about done changing the oil. Basically just gotta fill it up, do some tires, and fix a couple things on the body, and we should be good to go. So, how's changing that gear going?
Good.
Having fun?
Sure.
Smells great, don't it?
No.
I was surprised she volunteered because if you guys don't know, those 9-inch gears are about 80 pounds. The gear fluid stinks. Probably the worst of any fluid that we use in a car. So the Daytona 1 stuff doesn't stink as bad as the regular stuff. So if you're on that, that's a benefit. In addition to more horsepower and, or I guess less drag, which increases your horsepower numbers. So yeah, we will we'll give you guys an update when we get done. Hey everybody, we're at Sports Park Raceway. It's about 6:40. They start about 7. We just got here. It's about 92. What did I say? 92 degrees.
92 degrees.
So we decided to wait till the last minute to come just because we didn't want to sit in the heat for no reason. So we got Braxton here. He just pulled the car out. Brianna's getting ready to pull her 4-wheeler out, and we got to swap tires, put the American races on, and we'll be ready to go. So. We did draw 17, so that should put us, I'm guessing, starting towards the front of one of the heat races. We don't know which one or what one we're in yet, but we'll update that as we get there, and we'll just see how we can do. I think when I checked in, there was 13 cars, including us, in our class, so kind of a low car count so far. Maybe get some more cars before we get done, but before we start, so we'll see. So we got the starting lineup out now. We are in Heat 3, starting on the front row. Track champion, winner of 11 out of 13 races last year, starting 5th in our heat. And a guy that normally runs A mods is racing a B mod tonight. He's starting 4th. So got a couple quick guys in the heat starting out back, see if we can't run away and hide. And if we can take home this heat race win, that'll just show us how fast our car is, because them guys are pretty quick, especially the 56 cars. So we'll see. What do you think? Think we can run away and hide? She has so much confidence in me. 13, Greg Elliott and I were having a pretty good battle. We were kind of holding the 56 car up just by running side by side, so I was hoping we would keep running like that. And then Greg just had to go and brake on me and ruin our good battle. So anyways, top went away at the end, so 88 car ended up getting by us, finished third. She ain't too happy about it. Oh well, but we're slated to start 9th in the feature. We'll see if we actually start there or not. Might drop to the back and try and run for that extra $100 for the hard charger. If we can make it all the way to the lead and win the race, that'll be a pretty good payday. Huh.
Sure would.
What do you think of me starting in the back? Think I should do it? Yeah. Well, at least I have her support. That makes it a little easier. So yeah, we're supposed to start 9th. We'll probably drop to the back. Yeah, just see how we do. If we drop to the back, they'd line us up by track points. So the point leader basically starts dead last. So it just depends on who drops back. I don't expect too many people to drop back, but we'll see. So yeah, car was pretty good. Let's see what it does.